Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering and preparing the gear. Charge the JBL until the LED can light reliably, then press and hold the power button for about 2-4 seconds to turn it on. Once done, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled in settings so devices can be discovered. You do this first because a stable battery and active radio prevent dropouts and incomplete pair sequences. Next, we'll put the headphones into proper pairing mode so your device can find them. You now put the headphones into pairing mode. With them on, press and hold the Bluetooth or power button until the LED flashes rapidly blue or white, indicating discoverable state. Then immediately use your phone's Bluetooth scan. Look for the exact JBL model name rather than a generic label. Select it to pair, and if prompted, enter the PIN, commonly 0000 or 1234, because that secures the link. Once paired, the LED will change behavior and audio will route to the headphones. You finish by confirming audio is routed to the JBL. Play a short clip and check the device's output selector to set JBL as the active device. Once paired reconnection is usually automatic from the paired devices list, so make sure Bluetooth remains on. If things go wrong, reset the headphones using the factory reset sequence in the manual, then repeat pairing steps. This clears previous links and often resolves persistent pairing conflicts or stuck states, ensuring a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.